Let's go, buddy. Oh, you're a bad Take this missile. We're people singing. We are going to celebrate. Crispy, I think. Let's go. We are training very hard. I don't care about that guy. I'm going to kill him. Ow. Come on, let's go to our kitchen. Oh my god. Let's go! Time to kill you, buddy.
I'm a family naughty. I'm going to kill you.
Twins! We must... Ha! I got this indestructible shield. You can... Oh my god! I am a half human, half robot thing. Oh my... I'm just having my sleep.
Hello, I'm never. If I see you later. Oh my god, my belly.
I'm not loud as that dude. He was a freak. I did not have any life. I'm just a robot. Oh my god, what is that? Hello, I'm the talking ostrich. Let me just run. Oh, wait. Oh, hello there. I'm going. I only spend 20 Robux, but don't tell. Why am I in jail? Huh? Am I did something bad? Oh, maybe I did. Oh my goodness, maybe I did because I kidnapped somebody. I'm sorry. Why am I in this keyboard black thing? Oh my goodness, wait. Human, I want to kill you, human. the laser. Can you get me out of here, please? Pretty please? We are going to kill you. This is my little brother George. So, wait, what is that? George? Did you just kill George? I'm going to kill you now. Hello there. I'm going, wait. What is that? I don't know what's that. Is that a laser? Wait, no! I'm going to kill you, you stupid. I'm going to kill you, stupid. Ow, that hurts. Oh, why am I have to do here? Oh. Missile! Why did you just kill her? Oh no! I am going to kill you! Oh no! I mean, hey, don't kill him. He is our friend. Oh, he's Since I am a half robot, half human, I wish it like this all one. I think I'm too close to you. What? Too much sugar. How dare you? Alright, thanks. I don't get kids. Oh my goodness! Why am I spinning? What the? I survived. Oh my! Wait. Why are you giggling? Why are you giggles? Please no! I beg you! I beg you! Oh wait. No. I had a friend army who had to kill us out. Why did you just kill my brother? Ow! Oh, why did